Quick question. How many different ways can your users access your application right now? So think about it. You have an application where people will be using Chrome on Windows. You may have users using it on Safari on iPhone, maybe Firefox on Mac, Samsung browser on Android, and that's just about literally scratching the surface. I'm Khurram, founder of Kualitatem, which is a software testing company, and Kualitee, which is a test management platform. And after testing thousands of applications, we have learned something very crucial. Your app isn't really working unless it's working everywhere. Here is what I often see happening. The application works perfectly in Chrome, but it breaks in Safari. Looks great on iPhone, but messy on Android. Functions well on desktop, but unstable and unusable on tablets. This is a very typical scenario that we come across now. And the secret isn't really testing everything. It's about testing smart. And we have developed a matrix approach for this because you really cannot cover every device or every browser or every version of that browser for that matter. So one is that you prioritize your devices based on your user data. The second one is that you map critical user journeys. You bring in some automated cross-browser testing, and you then have real device validation on top. We had a customer actually who was not able to generate more revenue because the checkout was failing in one browser specifically, and when we found that issue, they were able to jump up their revenue by like 23% to be honest. So here's a pro tip. Start with your analytics. Look at where your users are coming from, and that's where your testing should focus first. So what's your biggest cross-platform testing challenge? Drop it in the comments below and let's see what we can learn from each other. Just remember, in today's world, it's not about making your app work on one platform. It's about making it work on every platform.